what's the approach going to be for this vital game? Go all out for the win or play for the draw? That's all they need to reach the promotion matches. Just one more draw. Welcome along to an evening that was made for football. The pitch is in great order too. And joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary is the midfielder turned expert analyst Stuart Robson. And everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. It's the biggest snakes out there, and they take on the Spartans.
Well, I think this will be tense, but they know a good performance here and a draw at least will give them access to a promotion match. It should be an interesting game.
A turnaround in possession, excellent positioning. Good ball, now what to do with it?
Yeah, such a good passer of the ball.
Oh, the keenest of reflexes.
Yeah, what a remarkable save. He was so alert there.
Gutsy move to block it. That's crossed the line, it'll be a throw-in. No whistle, the ref keeps things moving. Oh, and there could be something building here. This could be dangerous. Oh, against the bar. As we thought, he's giving out a booking.
Yeah, he couldn't let that go, could he?
An easy cushion, and the ball is under the keeper's control. Turning the defence around. He's in here to put them ahead and kept out razor-sharp reactions.
Oh, that should have been a goal, but what a save that was.
It's played in now. The marker done for. Oh, what a really good save that was. Short corner it is. And the attack collapses.
Just read the situation so well, didn't they?
He's in here. Come on! And he's beaten the keeper with a lovely little dink. A finish of real confidence. So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again. That's a good pass. Is this the equaliser? It just needed the finishing touch. A nice move ends there. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Still going, the ref letting them play. A really good interception to take the ball. The Biggie Snakes come away with it. And the referee signals advantage. Now it needs a good ball in. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. And that's gone out for a goal kick. Closer. It's there, and it's a goal. That's a real settler for them. 2 in front now. So away we go again at 2-0 now. Threads it through. Oh, superb reflexes. they go short with the corner. Intercepted. Great reading of the game. That's not a bad-looking ball. Danger cleared, but the goalkeeper might want a word after that. And that's won back nicely in a good area. And it's on here. It's the sort of finish you could only smile about. Saw the keeper off the line to score a goal of true quality. Incredible.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And then just take a look at this. He sees the keeper off his line, and it's such a classy finish. Just lifts it over him. Beautiful goal.
And it was one of those. Had to be, but wasn't.
Yeah, they got themselves into a really good position there.
Great instinct there to cut it out. What a chance! And they've scored again! That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Well, let's look at this again. To pick out this pass shows wonderful vision. It's inch perfect, and the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
That's nice vision to switch things. Teeing up the chance now. This could get interesting. And that's a decent bit of goalkeeping. And out of play it goes for a throw-in. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. Players set, the whistle sounds, and the second half begins. Here we go! Incredible! How was that kept out? Corner taken short. To look towards goal. Can he finish? More work to do yet. Promising passage of play, but it's come to nothing. Nicely sets it up. Really well done. This could lead to something. Genuine chance here. Terrific. Another goal. What a scoreline this is for them. So back underway, 4-1 now. And it's taken away, terrific.
Oh, top-class defending there.
And it must be. Gets it away, an impeccable tackle. Opportunity, and they've scored again. It's become a question of just how many they'll get. So the score now 5-1 as we restart once more. Beautifully weighted ball. Always done well to get past his man. And that's a foul and a free kick. And it's saved. That's a really tidy piece of goalkeeping. That will be a corner. Ball has been nicely cut out.
Yeah, he makes those interceptions so well.
Now the chance for them to pull forward. And a cross that could be dangerous. It's in, and it was always going to go in, with nobody in the way.
Well, just look at the defending here. They've made it so easy for him in the end. That's just not good enough.
Oh, the beautiful game very much on display. Spartans regain possession. Could turn out to be a really good ball. What a chance here. Oh, it's hit the post. A great opportunity, and it's been missed.
What a chance, and ultimately, what a miss.
That's crossed the line. It'll be a throw-in. That is literally a throwaway of possession. Lovely setup. And denied by a top draw tackle. Pass is incomplete. Nicely won. We've got 20 to go in this one. And he gets it clear.
Yeah, good decision. Just get it away.
Gets passed really nicely. And it's a terrific carry forward, this. Terrific chance. And the press has paid off here. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Carry on, says the ref. Whistle goes, free kick given. And it is a booking.
Well, he was late, and he deserved a booking for that.
And into the last 15 minutes. Now, will the ref be lenient with the player already booked? Booked for the second time. He's got to go.
Well, that was always going to happen. He just couldn't contain himself, could he?
being cleared away. A lovely, incisive ball. And that's that. The flag's up. Free kick given. This could be dangerous. Well, that really had to go in. That's unbelievable.
Well, you're right. He didn't know it was going to be offside, and that was a shocking miss.
Some useful space out wide here for the Snakes. Well, he's already been cautioned. The yellow card is confirmed, and he's off.
Well, I can't believe that. What was he thinking?
Goes for goal! Oh, superb save. He's done so well to keep that out. It's put into the middle. Oh, dear. Everything about that wrong. A poor example of how to head the ball. A chance to get in behind with that. And he's backed himself here. Super try. And almost a super goal.
Good technique, but just couldn't get it on target, could he?
Not so much given away as cleverly won. Played in with that. Real opportunity. And there's the hat-trick. He'll be taking the match ball home. There's a fatalistic air to the kickoff. They're out of it now. And he's beaten his man here. Oh, no doubt he's going into the book for that one. And it could be on! Oh, against the post. It looked like something building there, but no longer. Getting closer. Gets in the way superbly. And it's a short corner. Delivered into the box. Well, actually, just a little too close to the keeper. He'll happily take that. The referee not happy with the challenge. Well, a cynical foul, no question. Well, it takes a brave player to have a go from that distance. It's ended up nowhere near.
Yeah, certainly not the best free kick you'll ever see.
So that will do it for today, and it's the visiting fans who will go home.